Thank you so much po. Ma'am Rosette, thank you so much po. Ma'am Pinay in OC Mix Channel, thank you, thank you. Ma'am One Day TV, good morning po. Thank you, thank you. Thank you Kuya Bongski Bong sa 11 months. Thank you so much po. Ma'am Inday Pinay in OC Support 2, may moderator ka na po. Thank you so much po. Thank you all guys. 23 people. Thank you po. Thank you Kuya. Welcome host. Thank you so much po. Today is Sabado day. Mentor Yani, Mentor Catherine, mega love shout out. Good morning from Kuya Bongski Bong. Thank you Kuya Bongski sa yung pagtambay dyan. Thank you po. Thank you po. Yan, padikit naman po sa nakain pag hindi padikit. Sa hindi padikit. Kay Ma'am Love Channel. Sa ibang bansa din po yan. Mentor Tina Cruz, Mentor Lizzie Boy, mega love shout out. Good morning from Kuya Bongski. Nagwa-washing ako doon guys. Hindi naman yata dinig. Maingay yung labas. Thank you so much po. Mute ko po ulit mamaya. Pasulpot-sulpot tayo kasi may busy. Mahirap isingit. Yan. Playing po ako Ma'am Love Channel. Sa yung dalawang video. Mentor Yani, thank you so much. Always niyo pong pagtambay. Thank you. Mentor Catherine. Mentor Tina Cruz. Mentor Lizzie Boy. The Influencers. Mentor Chocojoy. Marchidi, thank you so much po. Team Hipa Babes, Team Unity, thank you so much. Ma'am Rosette, thank you so much po. Sa lahat po ng members, thank you so much po Ma'am Rosette, thank you. Kay kina Sis Teresa, thank you so much. Kay Sis Aweng, thank you. Kay Ma'am Jima Mix Vlog, thank you so much po. Sir AC, thank you so much. Thanks din po kay Kuya Bongski Bong. Ayan, sa pagtambay. Sa 11 months, thank you. Kay Sir Green Winner, thank you so much po. Sir Sunday Kalma, thank you so much po. Good morning. Sir Sunday Kalma. Happy Saturday po. Thank you. Nandito ako sa likod lang. Hello po. Hello. Sir Sunday. Kay Ate Hides, thank you din po sa ating mga members. Sa lahat po ng members, thank you. Sa lahat po ng tambayers, thank you so much po. The influencers. Ayan, shout out din po kay Sir Nes na ngayon. Thank you. Sa lahat ng friend natin sa YT, thank you so much. Happy Sunday. Saturday pa lang pala. Thank you.